I am Armin Zaman Khan from Bangladesh. I'm here in COP17. This is my first COP, and I have been involved in voluntary activities for the last 5 years. And I came here through a funding called Global South Youth Fund, which was funded by the Norwegian government. And I would say that I was very lucky to get this fund because citizens from the developing countries like Bangladesh cannot come to big conferences such as COP without funding or support. And to be really honest, it was really a surprise for me, and it was quite unexpected for me. So when I came here, the first thing and maybe the only thing that really struck me was the very low participation of youth from my country. When I see youth from, for example, other South Asian countries, for example, India, Nepal, then Sri Lanka, and of course the countries from north like America, then the countries from Europe, I see that they have these huge teams of youth coming together and putting up their voices in front of the world. And from Bangladesh, it's only me and Rizman Bhai. And our team is, I would say, very weak. We don't really have any voice for the youth. And this is what something that I got really concerned about. And in the future, I would really want youth to come and play a role in these conferences because they can make a difference. Well, after I came in COP17, I got a bit lost because it's such a huge conference. There are plenary sessions happening, there are negotiations happening, there are like youth activities going on. So after a bit of getting lost, I got involved with some working groups and got involved with some youth activities. Now currently I'm working with the communications working group and the water policy working group. The reason that I'm working with the water policy working group is because I think that water is really, really important in terms of policy and in context of Bangladesh, but it's not really, doesn't really get that much importance in policy papers. And I got involved with a couple of actions, and I interacted with a lot of youth, which was, I think, the biggest highlight of my entire experience. I got to know a lot of the youth networks that exist and like what the youth around the world are doing, and I got really, really inspired how much these people actually care about their climate and how much they really want to change this world. And this really inspired me, and I want to take my inspiration from here and carry it to my country. It's really important for youth of Bangladesh to get involved in climate change negotiations. They can play a huge role in changing the future of our country. Bangladesh is one of the countries which are at the forefront of climate change and is going to get very negatively influenced by all the climate change that is happening. So if the youth doesn't play a part, who are going to be the future negotiators, then we would be left with no one to actually carry our voices to the world. So it's very, very important for the future to step up now and start acting. বাংলাদেশের আমাদেরকে প্রয়োজন